Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to turn off the alarm on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to turn off the alarm is essential for silencing it once you are awake, preventing it from disrupting your day or disturbing others. It ensures that you can start your day peacefully without the sound of the alarm continuing to ring. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open app drawer on your device. Okay, so here select clock app. Well, so now you have to make sure that you stay in the alarm section. After that, here you'll find active alarm. So the way to turn it off, simply turn this toggle off. Or you can simply swipe left to delete it. So now the alarm is successfully turned off or deleted. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off the alarm on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.